What transforms a physical movement into an art form? What invisible barrier separates those who merely perform from those who truly master their craft? How does the mind navigate the razor's edge between fear and flow, between hesitation and absolute commitment? I'm Robbie, and this is Design Imperative. Today, we're diving into the profound psychological landscape of sports like skateboarding and tennis. Disciplines that I personally love, even if I'm far from mastering them. These are sports where mental fortitude isn't just an asset, it's the entire foundation of performance, as Andre Agassi once brutally observed in his memoir, Open. The true battle isn't against an opponent, but against oneself. In skateboarding and tennis, there's a paradoxical moment of absolute solitude. No coach can hold your hand. No teammate can take the leap for you. When you're suspended midair on a skateboard or facing a 130 mile per hour serve, you are entirely alone with your consciousness. The physical skill is merely the surface. The real mastery lies in how you negotiate with your own fear, how you transform potential energy into decisive action. Consider the skateboarder poised at the top of a complex ramp. Physics can explain the mechanics of the trick, but psychology explains the moment of commitment. It's not about knowing how to rotate or land, it's about believing you can. The difference between a novice and a professional isn't just technical skill, but the capacity to metabolize fear, to transmute anxiety into focused intention. This psychological dimension transcends the physical sport. It becomes a metaphor for life itself. How we confront challenges, how we negotiate our inner limitations, how we transform potential into actual performance. The skateboard, the tennis racket, these are merely tools for a deeper exploration of human potential. In tennis, especially, we see this psychological ballet most clearly. A single point can swing between absolute confidence and devastating self-doubt. The mental game isn't just supplementary, it is the game. World-class athletes understand that technique is learned, but mental resilience is cultivated. What makes this journey fascinating is its universality. Whether you're attempting a complex skateboard trick or facing a crucial moment in your professional life, the psychological mechanisms remain remarkably similar. It's about creating a relationship with uncertainty, about developing the courage to act despite not having absolute guarantees. But here's a crucial takeaway. This isn't just about sports, it's about life. In our increasingly digital world, where virtual experiences often replace physical challenges, we've lost something fundamental: the ability to throw ourselves into the unknown, to commit fully, to face our fears head-on. Find your metaphorical ramp. Maybe it's skateboarding, maybe it's tennis, maybe it's coding, painting, or learning a new language. The medium doesn't matter. What matters is choosing a pursuit that forces you to confront your inner limitations, a hobby that teaches you to be resolute, to push beyond your comfort zone, to transform potential into action. In our online lives, we've become masters of hesitation. We scroll, we contemplate, we second guess. But true growth happens when you commit. When you throw yourself off that metaphorical ramp with no fear, knowing that the fall is just as important as the landing. It's about embracing uncertainty, developing mental toughness that transcends any single discipline. The greatest lessons from these sports isn't about physical skill. It's about learning to trust yourself, to commit fully, to transform fear into focus, to understand that mastery in sports, in life, in our virtual and physical worlds is less about perfection and more about the courage to keep moving forward. This has been Design Imperative. I'm Robbie. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this episode, please leave a comment, leave a like, subscribe. Share it with somebody who you think might like this sort of thing. If you really like it and would like to support me so I can keep making more of these Design Imperatives, plus gain 1 week early access to watch them, Ko-Fi link down in the description. I also do audiobook readings for Supporter over there, so check it out. It's a really big help. If you can just go and even just follow me there for free so you can get my notifications. I appreciate y'all. I catch you guys next time. Until then, stay plugged in, stay connected, stay safe. Robbie out. Ciao, ciao.